Continental's New York ELA Assessment Practice sets students up for test success. This online tool gives students focused standards review and builds their confidence for the New York State Common Core test. Here's how it works. 3 tests per grade provide multiple assessment opportunities and plenty of data to drive instruction. Each test is aligned to the Common Core learning standards, includes item types that mirror the New York State Common Core test, and is delivered online to familiarize students with test day conditions. Tests can be given at any time, such as beginning and middle of the school year and leading up to the state assessment. After logging in, students will see their dashboard and select their assignments from the test tile. Each test includes 40 to 60 items, depending on the grade level. Students will read fiction and nonfiction texts with multiple choice and open-ended questions. Readabilities encompass the range suggested by the state of New York to show passage rigor. Students apply their closed reading strategies and compare multiple texts in order to answer questions. After completing their assignments, students can return to the dashboard to view their scored tests along with helpful answer explanations. Easy-to-use teacher tools allow you to administer tests, manage classes, and view and score results. You can also create more tests with your own content. Multiple choice answers are automatically scored. Use the pop-up rubrics to help you score open-ended answers. Graphical reports identify student strengths and needs by skill and by New York Common Core learning standard. Use this data to help personalize instruction for every student. Now that you know how New York ELA Assessment Practice works, it's time to get started. Only $5 per student for 3 full-length assessments gives you a simple, easy-to-use tool for test readiness. Sign up for your free demo today at www.continentalpress.com.